how to change the blades. There are 4 screws here. This one, this one, this one, and this one. Loose the screws and take the black cover off. And then use this tool to loose the screws of the blades. The 4 blades, you will take the blades off and change this one. Install it on it and fix the screws. Then adjust the space. To make sure, fix the outside blade first. Adjust the space to make them work proper close. And then fix the 2 screws and this one. After hundreds of working, the blades may broke or not too sharp. You can use a tool to sharpen these parts, and it can work again. When you change the cutting blades and restore, need to put the direction like this. 转一转。错误的，你再示范一下。错误的。If you put it like this, it will be wrong. Okay, 放回来。Yeah, this is right. You need to put the direction like this.